Hey guys, I am going to show you what just came into my Essential Reward order. I didn't think I was ever really going to order this because I was sort of like, I think I have most of the stuff that comes in this kit. But I'm a girl who does not, oh, I should tell you what it is first. It's called the Thieves Home Cleaning Kit. I'm a girl who doesn't like to miss out on things, and so when my girlfriend Julie and some other people are saying you haven't gotten that home cleaning kit, I seriously think that's my favorite thing that I've ordered from Young Living. And I thought, really? A cleaning kit? Okay. So again, don't like to miss out. So here we go. We're gonna see what's in it. I'll unbox it with you guys. And it's a shiny bucket. Feels like Christmas when you get that gift that you're not excited about. No, I mean I am, don't get me wrong. Maybe some of you would be excited about a shiny bucket. It's a shiny bucket. So, but it's handy, it's really well made. I do have to give full credit with that. And so like, as long as I don't make it dirty, it could be used for other things, I think too. Let's see, what else is in here? We've got a sprayer. It's a pretty good size sprayer. And I'm pretty sure, I haven't looked at, there's supposed to be recipes that come with it. That was the part I was kind of excited about. And you get the concentrate of the Thieves Household Cleaner. And don't be afraid to use this stuff, you guys, because it always comes with this dilution chart on there for you. And typically how you use the Thieves Household Cleaner, I've been using it for years and years. And this bottle actually will last you a really, really long time. If you don't have teenagers that are filling it up and overusing it, or cleaning people that come in and help you and they don't realize that they don't need to use like a year's worth in the bottle, then it should last like like an average household. You shouldn't be buying this very often at all. So typically to make like your all-purpose spray, cap full, dump that into the spray bottle, add your water, and off you go. Although I think there's going to be some recipes in here where you can do some certain things with the essential oils depending on what task you're doing. Let's see what else is here. It's this it's kind of a cool little, I guess it's an oil case, so we'll see what's in it in a second. But on the outside there's this pocket, and this must be the recipe booklet, the home cleaning kit. So it shows you what the contents are. Oh, okay, so there are some really good recipes in here. It talks about the all-purpose cleaner, how to make that, a recipe for a deep cleaning scrub, like with baking soda and some oils. Oh, garbage disposal freshener tablets, how to make those, how to make a degreaser, refrigerator and enamel appliance cleaner. So a lot of really good recipes in here, even a toilet bowl cleaner. So this is, the idea behind this is that we talk a lot about lifestyle. Young Living isn't just, we're not just out there trying to get people to buy oils. The whole goal of everything that most of us who are promoting Young Living to other people is we want to show people how they can have a little bit of a healthier lifestyle just by shopping in their own Young Living store. And when like I didn't know years ago that half of the products that were on the shelves in the grocery stores were things that were making my kids' asthma significantly worse. They were giving me headaches. They were making me just feel like low energy, and I felt trapped when I had to like clean toilets, or, well, I mean, okay, maybe I felt trapped when I had to clean toilets, but I mean, the chemicals of it just was, pretty bad. I would be the person who was like this with my sleeve over my mouth. So the idea is that this will equip you, if you're just getting started on that chemical-free journey, with everything that you would need in order to clean your entire house pretty much from top to bottom. I mean, there's glass cleaning recipes, toilet bowl cleaner recipes, air freshener spray. So no more plugins, but you guys already know that because you all have diffusers and whatnot. Appliance spot removers. So there's no excuse for saying, well, I don't have recipes for it, and I don't have time to sit around on Pinterest and collect them and then figure out what to do. This is giving you everything that you would need. So let's look and see what else is in this little kit. Oh, microfiber cloth. That's handy. Well, microfiber cloths are really great. You use fewer paper towels, which is less waste on the environment. They also do a better job, like you're using less cleaning product when you're using a microfiber cloth, just because it picks up everything more readily. And then you get 5 essential oils in here. I don't know if you guys can see that, so I'll tell you which ones come. It's the purification, which is great just by itself as a deodorizer and freshener. You get lemon, which is a great degreaser. Anything gummy, it's very freshening and cleansing. Pine, same thing, freshening and cleansing. I like to diffuse that sometimes too. Citrus Fresh, which is a couple of different kinds of citrus, and it's got spearmint in there. It smells really, really yummy. You might want to diffuse that one. Although I haven't, like I said, I haven't read the recipe box. And Thieves, like seriously, who doesn't need an extra bottle of Thieves? And then it's got the capacity to put some extra oils, so if you had your own blends or you wanted to put more oils in it, or maybe you don't want to use this for cleaning at all, you just want to keep your oil stuff in there. Now you've got one, because it's even got this little clip ring on there. So that's the Thieves Home Cleaning Kit. It should equip you with literally everything that you need. And remember that the household cleaner is going to last you a very, very, very long time. Like potentially a year to use the Thieves household cleaner in your house. Again, it depends on how much you're using it. Like I have spray bottles throughout my whole house. I have one in my kitchen, I have one in upstairs in the bathrooms, and I have one in my laundry room. And the one in the laundry room, instead of using one capful, I typically do 2 capfuls, because I'll use that to spray like armpits of sportswear, or I'm kind of revealing some things here, or like my kids' shirts, like stains and stuff. Sometimes I'm convinced they completely miss their mouth because it ends up here. And these are teenagers. So it gives you a lot of flexibility in how you're going to be cleaning your house without using those harsh chemicals. There you go, you guys.